110 black matte and matte eyeliner matte. Interesting, matte eyeliner matte, and it says 17 plus hour wear. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that you will be the part of my family. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Okay, on today's video we are going to try on another beauty product, which is Milani matte eyeliner matte. Very interesting, matte eyeliner matte. There's a lot of matte, and in the shade 110 black matte, again black matte, and it says 17 plus hour wear, whatever how you pronounce it. But so yeah, matte liquid eyeliner matte. This is what's look like the packaging, really cute packaging with black and gold packaging. By the way guys, this is not the pencil, this is the one with it's a bottle with applicator on it, which is I haven't tried something like this one. I always try the liquid eyeliner with like something like pencil eyeliner, but this give me an attention to try because this is, it says matte eyeliner matte. If you know me guys, I love liquid eyeliner, one of my favorite when it comes to makeup. First, of course, first eyebrows, second liquid eyeliner, and next is mascara, and next is foundation, next is lipstick, whatever. But first for me is eyebrows and liquid eyeliner. That's liquid eyeliner, one of my favorite when it comes to makeup. So I'm going to try this, and we're gonna wear it today for the rest of the day. And yeah, I'm so excited, and we'll see. So for this liquid eyeliner, not too bad for $6.97. So I'm really excited to try this. Not too bad, less than $10, so why not to give a try. Okay, this is what's look like the packaging guys. It's black, super black. Alright guys, this is what's look like the applicator. It says 2.5 ml, so it's not too bad for $6, and I forgot 97 cents or something. I forgot. Yeah, $6.97. And I noticed the applicator is a little bit thicker, so when it comes to liquid eyeliner, I do prefer with the thinner applicator. I like it thin applicator. I can like draw my wing liner nice and easy. So okay, let's go ahead and try this Milani matte liquid matte eyeliner. Alright everyone, I don't know how to do eyeliner. I'm just gonna do my wing liner, and yeah, we'll see what's I don't know. Sometimes when it's hard to do it up front of the camera, but if you're not like filming, it's easy to apply it into your wing liner. But it smells good. It smells like perfume, like mild smell perfume. That smells really good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyes. Alright everyone, super nice. It's easy to apply and it's dry quick, which is I love that. And it's super matte, like matte. That's why it says on the packaging matte eyeliner matte. I like that matte look eyeliner, and yeah, it's super nice. It's easy to apply. Alright, done applying it to my both eyes. I love how it turned like super matte, like super black, and then also it's matte again because they called it Milani Stay Put Matte Eyeliner. I like that. I love how it turns to my eyes like super black and matte, and the liquid eyeliner is matte, so I like how it turns to my eyes like super black. And yeah, we're gonna wear it for the rest of the day, and I'll be back for the next update. I love how it turns to my eyes. It's very matte liquid eyeliner. It is 3:18 in the afternoon, and I'll be back to give you an update for this matte eyeliner matte from Milani. Alright guys, this is what's look like in natural sunlight. The liquid eyeliner is super black, very black, and yeah, this is what's look like super matte black eyeliner. So yeah, I'll be back later to give you an update. Super soft, really soft. There you go. This will look like the eyeliner. Alright everyone, I'm back. My final thought about this Milani matte eyeliner matte. So for $6.97 is not really bad, and I like how it looks really matte onto my eyes, and yeah, it's super black. I like that, super black and matte. So yeah, for me, I like it. For $6, again, for $6.97, it's not bad at all. Less than $10, it's okay, it's fine. And also I like how it's matte and very black. Okay, the only thing that I don't like is the applicator. The applicator is a little bit thicker, so I do not like that. Other than else, that's it. I love how it's matte and super black, and it's easy to apply, even though I'm having trouble a little bit when I start feeling my wing liner because it's a little bit thicker. But for $6.97, and it's super matte and super black, I like how it turns to my eyes, and yeah, I like it. So I'm just gonna use it till I can get used to the thicker applicator, and that's it. Overall, I like it. It's not bad at all for $6.97. So alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Why not? It's free. And don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching everyone. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.